So how it started is a couple of seniors approached me about getting involved with the No Shave November. They were thinking on the face. I told them that I would do the No Shave November on my head. And we discussed it about maybe raising some money for a charity, and I had a group of seniors that volunteered to, at the end of the month, after I grew my hair for a month, we would all shave our heads together. We worked with staff, with Mr. Lindley, we worked with Miss Nichols, and admin, and was able to get this arranged to do this on an early release day in front of the school, and we decided on raising money for St. Jude, and that's pretty much how it started.
So I thought that it was definitely one of the most interesting things I've ever done. However, I don't regret it even a little bit because we did it for a good cause and it was just good for everybody.
I liked it. I think
We should
had
be
a
able
good
to wear
result,
it.
and
There's no
I'm glad that we made a lot of money for St. Jude.